What's up, fellows? My name is Ashmit from Techy Pizza, and today we are gonna unbox this phone from Xiaomi called Redmi Y2. So let's spread technology. Okay, so now let's see what it says on the front side. It says India's number one smartphone brand with Xiaomi's branding and Redmi Y2 written on it. On the left side, it says Redmi Y2 by Xiaomi in black color. And on the top side, it lists some information about my phone. It is a variant with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB internal memory with gold color. So now let's see what is on the right side. Okay, so on the right side it again says Redmi Y2 by Xiaomi with me.com written on it. So let's see what is on the bottom side. On the bottom side is a barcode about this phone. On the back side it says some information about Redmi Y2. So the first one is 16 megapixel AI powered front camera with LED selfie light, 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel AI powered dual rear camera with large 1.25 aperture pixels, 15.2 centimeter 5.99 inch HD plus screen, full screen display with 18:9 aspect ratio with Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 processor from Qualcomm. Okay, so here it mentions gold color variant with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB internal memory with Made in India logo, which is a very good initiative. So now let's open this box. So now opening this box, here we have our device called Redmi Y2, and here Xiaomi's branding is also printed on it with some information which I told you uh, just 2 minutes ago. And here is the shiny bright gold color. So now let's remove this sticker from this phone. Okay, so here's the shiny display of this phone, which is HD plus display, and now remove the back stickers also. Okay, so here is our device. Now let's keep it aside for a moment. Now let's open this box and see what's inside it. And here we are opening it, and inside is some user guide and a warranty card with a silicone soft rubber case which is crystal clear. So now also let's keep it aside for a moment. So now keeping it aside, let's see what units are inside in the box. Here we have the Xiaomi power brick with 5 volts output. So now let's keep it aside for a moment too. Here we have the charging cable, and it is a simple micro USB, not a C type. So I think they must upgrade to a C type rather than the Mi A1 and Mi A2. So now let's come back to our mobile device. Okay, so on the right side it has volume rocker buttons with a power button, and on the front side it has a display of 6 inches approximately with no physical buttons, and a camera, LED flashlight, and stereo speakers. And okay, so here Okay, so on the top side we have a 3.5 mm audio jack with an air blaster on its top with a secondary microphone. So now let's move to the bottom side. Here we have two stereo speakers, grill speakers, and a micro USB port for charging. And on the left side we have a SIM card tray. Okay, so now let's move on to the back. On the back, Xiaomi's branding has been done and said designed by Xiaomi with a classic fingerprint sensor and a dual rear camera setup just like an iPhone X. Now let's boot up this device. I will just double the speed of this setup to so that this video is not so long for you to watch. Okay, so as of now the setup has been done and now let's test the fingerprint sensor. Okay, so I'm gonna unlock this device. It's smooth and pretty fast. It is pretty responsive. Okay, so let's check it again a few times. Okay, so we can conclude that the fingerprint test sensor is very responsive. Now let's test the camera. Okay, here we are clicking a snap of the cover of this box with a normal photo mode on this phone. And to note, this is not a portrait mode. Okay, so let's click the photo now. Okay, so let's see the results. The photo is pretty sharp and I think some bluish tone is added to it, yet it is very detailed. So this was our Redmi Y2 and that's it for today guys. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment and share this video as much as possible. It was Ashmit Singh from Techy Pizza signing off.